Welcome back to rTech. Today we're going to review the Envent soundbar. So this is one of the cheapest soundbars you can get in the market. It costs about $2,200. Has good sound output of about 50 watts or 20 watts RMS. LED display, nothing great about it, but it's there. It's got a wireless remote, is Bluetooth compatible, and it's got a lot of inputs. So why would you buy it? So one of the main reasons why I picked this up was I wanted to have TV output which could probably translate to better sound, a little more bass probably, and this was for a second room which I have, and I didn't have good sound on that TV monitor, so I just picked this up. I got it at a good price from Paytm, and it's well packaged, as you can see. I'm just unboxing it in front of you. And one of the things that you get with this is a nice funky remote, nicely designed. The speakers itself, I'm not too sure how good they are, but we'll have a look. They've also thrown in a nice aux to audio video in cable, and this is for the audio, of course. There's a small manual which is just a sheet of paper. So let me go ahead and open the plastics. Okay, so one thing I noticed about this soundbar is that it's heavy. That's because this is made of wood, right? It's got 4 speaker grills, but there are only 2 speakers in them, and the wood is so evident, it's so heavy. And the speakers are located on the far corners of the unit. What you have in the middle is 2 passive radiators which help you get a little more depth in the music. I really feel they could have done a better job on the console unit. Let's see what it's got at the back as well. So here you have a power switch, you have an aux delivering input for the TV sound. You can switch off this if you want. It's a fairly long enough cable for the FM antenna and the power supply. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and power it, and when I first switched it on, it made a lot of noise. I think the FM mode was on. It's also got a lady's voice which explains which mode it is in. So as soon as you switched on, it kind of told me that it's in aux mode. It tells you if you're in FM mode or Bluetooth mode. The controls were really not tactile. It just looks like it's been taken off a small Chinese ripoff radio or something. They could have done a better job on this, honestly, considering the quality of the wood and the speakers. Okay, so that's the unit control, and that's how the display looks close by. It's also got a USB playback option. So if I use the remote, it's got some options to change, equalizer, extra. They've also thrown in the battery, which is a good thing. So as I was telling you, there's only 2 speakers in this unit. You'll see the extra passive radiator in the middle of the unit. It's got the wall mount option at the back. Just letting you have a closer look. So the passive radiator over there, which is going to help you get better music, and believe me, this thing has got really good speakers, but it's got its own issues as well. So when you use the Bluetooth mode, for example, there's a lot of interference. I don't know why that happens. There's some kind of a buzzing sound when you connect it to your phone, and it's really annoying. I really wish that wasn't there, because otherwise this unit was pretty decent in terms of sound. It has good sound from the TV. It has good sound from the the USB drive if you play an MP3 file, but a lot of interference on Bluetooth. There's no issue connecting it to the Bluetooth device, but there is a lot of interference. And the remote itself is designed so nicely. So I just wonder why they kind of sacrifice some of the quality on the unit itself. So it's got the equalizer modes. We can change it to jazz, pop, rock. It just helps you get a little more bass. So I definitely recommend this for someone who needs a little better sound with their TV units. It's not perfect, but it does a good job on the TV itself. Very easy to mount on the wall. Not bad looking either from far. Just for this center unit, which looks a little weird, but otherwise the whole unit looks really nice, and it does throw in good amount of sound, and it's pretty clear as well. So that's it from me for this small review on the Envent soundbar, and I hope you subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video, or dislike if you don't. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.